This Grando is doing pretty good in the snow. Pretty good, folks. Pretty dang good. Pretty darn dang good. I don't know if she can make this hill. See if we can turn around. This thing's all scaled up, as you can see, folks. She's got her interior inside there. All kinds of goodies. Got the roof rack full of goodies. Whoa! Alright, folks. A little test run with the super badass Grando. She's badass. They got this thing scaled up like a son of a gun. Yes, sir. Ain't she a beauty? Alright, thanks for watching Rusty Plains Copters and Trucks. Thanks for subscribing. And unless you see a video you don't like, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. A like on my videos. You know, only if you think it's worthy. Okay? Alright. One more couple of looks at the truck. Folks, you got to get you a Grando. You got to get you a Grando for half the cost of an Axial. It's not as good as an Axial. Axial is the best for me. But it performs as well. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Bye.